morning. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. We're doing a day in the life vlog today. I have a couple of hours of free time, and one of my favorite things to do is to coupon. No. I used to be like an extreme couponer way back in the day, and I have never grown out of my frugalness, and I love a good deal. So yesterday, I have to talk while I drive because I am limited on time, but I just got some work done, and there's a couple of free things that I have that will be expiring pretty soon, so I want to go ahead and grab those. I have a free pastry at Panera. I have like $5 Kohl's cash that's gonna expire, and there's massive deals going on at Kohl's right now. There's like an extra 40% off coupon that I used yesterday on clearance, and just everything is super cheap, so I want to go ahead and use that. And then I also have $5 off Target 360 monthly gift, and it's $5 off Good and Gather food. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my coupons, get some free things while I can, while I don't have Sydney with me, just because it's just a little, I don't know, it's probably not fun for her. So that's what we're gonna go do. It's not a guilty pleasure because I don't feel guilty about doing it, but it's just, I don't know, I don't share. There's a whole lot I don't share on social media, and my frugalness, my couponer heart, my, I don't know, for me right now, in the spring, it kills like 3 birds with 1 stone. Get myself out of the house, change of scenery. It feeds my shopping need without spending money. Okay, so maybe it's 2 things. It makes me happy. I don't know. I get excited. And then anything that I do get for free, a lot of times I'll either share it with friends and family or donate it. We have a pantry around here, a local pantry, and I would donate things there, or obviously stock up on things that I actually need. So let's go. I'm always talking about how I love a good deal and I am so frugal, but I am also huge on quality. I don't like purchasing things that are not going to last me very long, or Sydney for that matter. And this is where GYS pajamas come in. I was wearing them this morning. I've gotten few different new pairs for the warmer weather coming up, and I've been wearing the GYS bamboo pajamas for over a year now. I worked with them last year and I've been wearing them nonstop, and they are my absolute favorite pajama sets. I have links in the description box below to every set you see here, and they come in several different colors, and they are on Amazon as well, so very easy to go ahead and purchase. These are the most comfortable, soft. They keep me warm, but also not too warm at the same time. If you know, you know, like no night sweats here, heading into perimenopause. But also I run cold. These pajamas meet all of my needs. They are comfy and cozy and soft, great quality, and I wear them nonstop. One of the benefits for me is knowing that I look a little bit more put together in my pajama sets. And if I have to answer the door at 10 a.m. because Sydney has a little friend ringing the doorbell, or I have neighbors saying hi, or dropping something off, whatever it may be, I feel like I can actually answer the door and not scare anyone away. Sometimes I go to bed at night and then I think, knock on wood, if there's an emergency, Haley, this is what people are going to see you wearing. And at least I look a little bit more put together, and I'm comfy at the same time. And as you can see, all of the pairs that I tried on are so different. They have long sleeve, short sleeve tank tops. They have night dresses and night shirts, pants sets, lots to choose from depending on your preferences. So again, GYS bamboo pajamas are all linked in the description box below for you guys to check out. have to hurry up now because that line was way longer than I anticipated, but I was able to grab this shirt for free for Sydney. It's just a white athletic tee. She needs a white for tennis, and it's also just a lightweight top that she can also wear all the time, but that was free with my birthday cash and clearance. Now I'm going to head over to Target super quick, and I know exactly what I need, so let's go grab that. Goods at Target. Now let's go to Panera. Kind of in that awkward time where if I go home, I'm pretty much gonna have to turn around and go grab at Sydney, so I'm just gonna head to the school super early. I went to CVS, I got a free toothbrush. They oftentimes have the $2 off CVS oral health care coupon, so I've been grabbing toothbrushes, and when my friend came over the other day, I was like, do you need a toothbrush? So I've been using them and giving them away as well, or donating them. So I grabbed that. Let's see. Oh, at Panera. At Panera, I grabbed, I don't really want to like take it out and touch it. I grabbed a pecan braid for Sydney and I. We can enjoy this tomorrow with breakfast. We'll both share this with our, you know, scrambled eggs and fruit and that, and I thought that would be delicious. So I've got, what did I say? A pecan braid pastry. I'm doing this haul in the CVS parking lot, so with my windows down because it's beautiful out. All right, so I ended up getting this, although I will say a manager had to come over and help me out with this because I messed things up when I added my own bag. I don't know. This was free. It's $1.99, but they had a $2 off coupon. This is the Febreze Fabric to Go. I actually do use this sometimes. So we've got that, and then I went ahead and grabbed things to make like a chicken tortilla soup or something. So I've got diced tomatoes with green chili. I had the $5 off Good and Gather. If you guys are a 360 member, you know what I'm talking about. I've got black beans, corn, and chicken broth. So I have everything to make that soup. I will go ahead and do that at some point this weekend. That's what I picked up for free this for today. I don't know, it's fun. Yes, I did have to drive to another town, but it got me out of the house. All right, so let's go grab Sydney in the meantime, and I'll just be at the front of the pickup line. That'll be exciting. I feel like that a bit with home. I brought Sydney to the library after school so she can pick out her Friday night movie night, but this is the pecan braid. Ooh, it looks amazing, and I can't wait to have that with breakfast tomorrow. I just laid everything out just to have for the thumbnail. My free stuff haul, Sydney's movie night movie is The Wild Robot. You saw in my recent vlog, she grabbed that as her book from Books A Million, and so she loves it even though she's seen it a few times. I just grabbed this because it was on display. I thought it sounded cute. And then she likes these books for obvious reasons. We had a lovely weekend. It was May Day festivities, which I will show you the clips that I was able to film. We enjoyed ourselves. It was rainy a little bit, so it was hard to film, but we enjoyed ourselves, then got to watch the parade and have so much fun. We went to the library book sale that we learned about on Friday. They were setting it up and we saw some things that we wanted. So Sydney was able to grab some books and DVDs for her movie nights for 10 cents each. Always love doing that and getting a collection going here. But today, since we have a nice couple of days here, I am gonna go ahead and go outside and mulch and put some mulch down in the front garden, and I might do it in the back. We shall see, but since we have no rain for a minute, for like 2 days, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Sydney's little worm grave. Oh my gosh, she is too funny and cracks me up all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay down some mulch in the front garden here. I call it a garden. It has a hosta and an azalea. It had other things, but the chipmunks and squirrels ate them. So this is what we are left with. This is the mulch that I got for $2 the other day in a vlog. Super pumped about it. So let's go ahead and lay that down. Used the whole bag and I think it looks a whole lot better. I'm just leaving this so that the hosta can grow. I think I will definitely be getting another couple of bags because I have this here and then I have one out back as well, which I want to show you. I think I finally have raspberries growing. I planted them last year and I thought I killed it. So last year, if you remember in one of my vlogs, I planted this raspberry stem and I thought that it was a goner, but this spring, I have all of these primocanes growing, so it looks promising. I am hopeful, but I was able to finally rip out, I had a holly bush here that was just beyond done. I was able to rip that holly bush out last week, so I want to go ahead and clean this up and make it into a little garden area. This thing has seen better days, but I'm still gonna use it this year. Despite the bottom rack being not usable. This is just lived outside through all the winters for the last few years. And I should be wearing garden gloves, but I'm not. These guys instantly need water.